done before. I'm like up in the trees, I'm like, huh.
All the gap.
Six.
Corey's converted. One flight.
Oh yeah, nah, it's gone. Fuck analog. Fuck analog.
That's the start of my video. Fuck analog, yeah.
Fuck analog. These little sets of trees like right in front of me. Last time we were here, I was trying to do like a power loop through it. I did a power loop,
and you can see
double roll, man, and that came back out on the trees on literally right next to it. I was like, oh fuck yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, no,
Did you record it?
No.
Pine cones. Notice a different digital system. Yes. Let's try this out. Got the Fox here in there, running the 500 megawatts version. My OSD's not showing though, so it's shit. That's real shit. I gotta wait for Michael because I think I'm gonna stomp him. Here are the dudes.
Oh, I think I got it. I did. I got ya.
Look at Michael, he's into it. And he's stuck in the tree.
Yeah. Choppy.
You're not holding your breath, are you?
Nah.
I got guns, hoes, money, troll, cars, boats. You should know. Dogs, bros, squad, bros. Hold up, whoa. You name it. Guns, hoes, money, troll, cars, boats. You should know. Dogs, bros, squad, bros. Hold up, whoa. You name it. I'm throwing money off the balcony into the crowd because I want to. Goddamn, I feel good. Sure that you already know. One thing's understood, ain't nothing that can stop my glow. Doggone it, can I just take my time? All these cop chasing motherfuckers watching all around me. I'm like, bitch, hold your horses.
Prop, you're the best.
I'm like, true I am. Rosario Dawson know who I am. If it's cool with you, girl, I can move right in. You do not understand just how cool I am. Like, see? Look at me, I'm on the beach. Don't try to holler, cause I'm out of reach. I got no service, I'm out on the keys. A couple women, my daughters and me. About to go swimming, thank God I'm a G. One shot for me, baby, that's by the thee. Let's skinny dip in the sea. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather do things we remember later, you know what I mean? I got guns, hoes, money, troll, cars, boats. You should know. Dogs, bros, squad, bros. Hold up, whoa. You name it. Guns, hoes, money, troll, cars, boats. You should know. Dogs, bros, squad, bros. Hold up, whoa. You name it. I'm throwing money off the balcony into the crowd because I want to. Ooh, seriously, look at myself. Condom model over here. Ooh, seriously, look at my flow. Colder than a polar bear. Ooh, straight up, I'm an awesome person. You ain't ready for the sauce I'm serving. Straight up, I'm an awesome person. You ain't ready for the sauce. Young Pookie, your highness, gon' find the finest vaginas. From China to Thailand, got a wine and why not combine them? Pardon me, let me chime in. Let the science behind my conniving. I'm refined and violent. Throw the lime and fine dine the hymen. Swag, swag. I got guns, hoes, money, troll, cars, boats. You should know. Dogs, bros, squad, bros. Hold up, whoa. You name it. Guns, hoes, money, troll, cars, boats. You should know. Dogs, bros, squad, bros. Hold up, whoa. You name it. I'm throwing money off the balcony into the crowd because I want to. Fuck it up, 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 fuck it up. Swear to God, if you could throw it at me, then I'll grab it up. Fuck it up. Fuck it up, 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 fuck it up. Swear to God, if you could throw it at me, then I'll grab it up. Fuck it up. How about that drink? You gon' finish that? If your bro talking shit, I'm gon' get his ass. I got 2 hands that gon' fit his ass. Knock on my coat, he gon' shit his ass. Talking on phones up in Trinidad. About to make films up on Skin and Max. Oh, you just jealous because my bedroom sound like it's a fucking women's tennis match.